What a great day! I feel totally...
This is not good. Oh no, look Yeti, look at Glitch. He is going haywire.
Welcome to Glitch 101. Let us begin our lesson. Ignore that small system error.
Hello world! Today we learn math. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. It is definitely 2.
Uh-oh! Glitch is shaking!
Hello world! Welcome to another math lesson. Today we will calculate 1 plus 2. It is definitely 3. Phew, that was a close one. What is 3 plus 3? It is 6! Oh no!
Phew, all done spinning.
We are multiplying.
Silly Glitch! Is he dancing or is he broken?
This is not good.
I am Glitch. I am here to help you have fun. Who defined these parameters? Let's crash this system! Let's crash this system! Time to have fun!